not funny.
You laughing?
Gail, why are you wearing boy clothes again?
I want to be the guy.
Put it on people who don't know.
Shows a pretty smile.
That wasn't funny.
You're not funny.
Gail, why do you have to look like a hippie?
Because I just got done smoking a bowl.
You're not a very good girl. You talk like a guy.
Because I'm just a woman. You know? My vagina is like so fucking loose. And it's like two black guys attaching.
We should go show you to our skater friends.
No.
I've liked those little kids. They're mean.
We're gonna have to wash my hands.
True, true.
This is all messed up again.
Fix it.
I can't. I don't know what to do.
I want to be in
My
the
hands are all
video.
curly, but it is mine.
That girl's looking at
It's pulling my
me.
hair. Ow! Ouch!
You're
She's a little drunk.
Nice kitty.
Here, this needs to be like put back or something. No,
Hey! Wanna die? Do I look feminine? Feminine?
Look at his face.
Weird.
Don't touch it. You're gonna mess it up.
Isn't that guy you like?
Yeah. He touched my belly button and stroked it all night. It was amazing.
I don't think it's a girl.
It's a guy.